It has been observed in our service facility that some IMMRs being returned have unacceptable scratches inside the rear connector. Our investigation discovered that in this particular installation, the air cooling plenum gasket is of greater height and of different material than the previous generation mounting tray and requires special attention with IMMR installations. In this video, we will show you tips on how to install the IMMR into the electronics equipment rack E1. This video is a simulation of the aircraft installation. In this instance, we are using the rack at our test facility. The crux of this installation is the compression of the plenum gasket. Since there is limited room above the LRU to use the ship side mounting connector as a guide for the LRU connector. As shown here, we will need to apply pressure to the top of the IMMR to compress the gasket while sliding the unit back toward the connector. Once LRU to ship side contact has been made, use rack tie downs to torque in place. Then give the LRU an extra push to ensure full connector insertion has been made. Apply power and perform IMMR self-test to ensure functionality. Push and release test switch on the front of the receiver to start the bite test. Make sure that these indications occur. All LEDs come on and turn amber. The IMMR status light changes to green after 60 seconds, and the control light and antenna light turn off. This concludes our video on installation tips for the integrated multi-mode receiver.
This video is for training purposes only and should not be used as a replacement for any technical publication.